The lemon gets crushed in just 1 second, but its story has survived for centuries. Why? Imagine this. You're about to begin a brand new journey, but instead of a lemon beneath the wheel, something far more intense was once believed to be offered. Sounds surprising, right? Yet an old tradition tells a fascinating story. Long before cars and motorcycles, kings believed that every new chariot needed divine protection before its first journey. In some places, an animal was sacrificed before the wheels touched the ground. People believed the offering would remove danger and bring victory. But then, everything changed. Saints and spiritual teachers stood before the people and asked one simple question. If God created every living being, why would He ask for the life of one? That one question changed generations. Slowly, sacrifice gave way to symbolism. Instead of blood, a coconut was offered, in some traditions a pumpkin, and eventually a simple lemon. The wheel no longer crushed a life. It crushed fear. It crushed negativity. It crushed the belief that violence could bring blessings. That is why, even today, before the first journey of a new vehicle, a lemon is placed beneath the wheel. Not because the lemon has mystical powers, but because it reminds us that every journey should begin with faith, compassion, and a heart free from fear. So the next time you see a lemon crushed beneath a new vehicle, remember, it may last only a second, but its story has survived for centuries. And perhaps that is the real blessing hidden beneath the wheel.